Have you ever dreamed of making a serious income without needing a traditional 9-to-5 job? What if I told you that the key to unlocking this dream is already here, and it doesn't require you to write a single line of code? Welcome to the future of work, where artificial intelligence isn't just a buzzword, it's your new business partner. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money with AI. Not in some distant sci-fi future, but as soon as 2026. Forget everything you think you know about needing a computer science degree. If you have creativity and the drive to learn, you're already halfway there. So, stick with me, because we're about to dive into the practical, actionable strategies that can change your financial life forever. First, let's get one thing straight. When I say AI, I'm not talking about building complex robots. I'm talking about using powerful, user-friendly AI tools that are already available to create valuable products and services. The barrier to entry has never been lower. The secret isn't in building the AI, but in mastering how to use it. Think of it like learning to use a camera to become a photographer. You don't need to build the camera. You just need to learn how to take amazing pictures. So, where do you start? The biggest and most accessible opportunity right now is in AI-powered content creation. Every business, every brand, every influencer needs content. Blogs, social media posts, videos, emails, the demand is endless. And this is where you come in. Tools like GPT-4, Claude, and others can help you generate high-quality written content in a fraction of the time it would normally take. You can become an AI-powered copywriting agency. Imagine offering to write 10 blog posts for a client in the time it used to take to write one. You can charge premium rates for speed and quality, and businesses will happily pay because you're solving a massive problem for them. You're not just a writer, you're a content strategist with a super-powered assistant. Let's break this down. Your service could be offering blog post packages, social media calendar creation, or even email newsletter writing. Start by finding your niche. Are you passionate about fitness, real estate, vegan cooking? Specialize in one area. Then, use AI to research topics, generate outlines, and draft the content. Your job is to be the human in the loop, the editor, the strategist, the creative director. You'll refine the AI's output, add your unique voice, check facts, and ensure it aligns perfectly with your client's brand. This human touch is what makes the service valuable. Clients aren't paying for raw AI text. They're paying for your expertise in wielding these tools to get a polished, effective final product. But it's not just about writing. What about visuals? AI image generators like Midjourney and DALL-E 3 are changing the game for graphic design. You can now create stunning, professional-grade images from a simple text prompt. Think about the possibilities. You could start a service creating custom logos, social media graphics, book covers, or even unique art prints to sell on Etsy. Again, no coding or design degree needed. Your skill is in crafting the perfect prompt, what's called prompt engineering, and curating the best results. You can offer a custom AI art service where clients describe their vision, and you bring it to life. This is a brand new market, and the creatives who master it first will be the ones who profit the most. Let's combine these two ideas. Imagine offering a complete AI branding package for new businesses. You use AI text generators for their website copy, mission statement, and social media captions. Then, you use AI image generators for their logo, brand colors, and initial social media imagery. You've just provided a massive amount of value, helping a business launch from scratch, and you did it all using accessible AI tools. This is a high-ticket service you could easily charge thousands for, and your overhead costs are incredibly low, just the subscriptions for the AI tools. Now, let's talk about video. You're watching one right now. Video content is king, but it's traditionally been time-consuming and expensive to produce. Not anymore. AI tools can now write your video scripts, generate a realistic voiceover, find stock footage, and even edit it all together. Tools like Synthesia or Hagen let you create videos with AI avatars, meaning you don't even have to be on camera. You could start a YouTube automation channel in a popular niche like history, finance, or meditation. The AI generates the script and voice, and you simply guide the process, edit the final product, and manage the channel. As your channel grows, you can monetize it through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. You become a media mogul, with AI as your production crew. Another huge opportunity is in creating and selling digital products. This is where you can truly build passive income. Using the skills we've discussed, you can create ebooks, online courses, or digital art packs. For example, write an ebook on a topic you know well, using AI to help with research and drafting. Design a beautiful cover using Midjourney. Package it up and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Amazon KDP. Once it's created, it can sell over and over again while you sleep. Or, what about creating a prompt pack? This is a digital product where you sell collections of expertly crafted prompts for AI art generators. People who want great images to do and have the time to master prompt engineering will gladly pay for your cheat sheets. You're not just using AI, you're teaching others how to use it better. Okay, so this all sounds great, but how do you actually get clients and make your first dollar? The key is to build a portfolio. Don't just tell people you can do this, show them. Start a project for yourself. Create a blog or an Instagram theme page using these AI tools. Document your process. For example, post on X and say, I created this stunning image of a futuristic city using this exact Midjourney prompt. Or, I wrote this 1,000-word blog post in 30 minutes with AI. Here's how. This not only builds your portfolio, it also establishes you as an authority in the space. Once you have a portfolio, start reaching out. Go to freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr and create a profile that highlights your AI skills. Look for businesses on LinkedIn or Instagram that have a weak content strategy and offer them a free or heavily discounted trial. Say something like, I love your product, and I believe I can help you reach more people. Let me create 3 social media posts for you, for free, using my AI-powered workflow. If you like them, we can discuss working together. The goal is to get your foot in the door and let your results speak for themselves. Looking ahead to 2026, these opportunities are only going to grow. AI tools will become more powerful, more integrated, and even easier to use. New categories of AI-assisted work will emerge that we can't even imagine yet. The people who will succeed are not the ones who are afraid of AI taking their jobs, but the ones who embrace it as a powerful tool to augment their own creativity and productivity. The future belongs to the AI collaborator. So, your action plan is simple. 1. Pick an area that excites you. Writing, design, video, or digital products. 2. Choose 1 or 2 AI tools in that area and commit to mastering them. Watch tutorials, experiment, and just play around. 3. Start building a portfolio by creating projects for yourself. 4. Start sharing your work and reaching out to potential clients. Don't wait for favorable times. The earlier you start, the better. The time to start learning and building is right now. The wave of AI-driven opportunity is forming, and you can be one of the first to ride it. The secret to making money with AI isn't some complex algorithm. It's your creativity, powered by the most incredible tools humanity has ever created. Thank you so much for watching. I truly believe that we are at the beginning of a revolution, and I'm so excited to see what you all create. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more strategies on navigating the future of work. Drop a comment below and let me know which AI money-making idea you're most excited to try. Until next time, keep creating.
This is brought to you by Fliki.ai Empire, your gateway to the future of tech.